Welcome back, my friends. There have been ongoing developments in the cryptocurrency market. So I am updating you more often on this subject because it is a rapidly changing situation. As you probably know if you follow this channel, cryptocurrency exchange FTX filed for bankruptcy a little over a week ago. And the fallout from the FTX bankruptcy has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world. One of the few remaining cryptocurrency exchange companies is Coinbase. Although it is still operating, Coinbase has not had a good year. In fact, it has laid off hundreds of employees. And the FTX bankruptcy is casting a shadow of doubt over the entire cryptocurrency world. Coinbase is now caught up in the contagion. And so is the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Shares in Coinbase continue to fall as the Bitcoin slide continues. Wall Street investors are fearing contagion from FTX collapse. The crash in cryptocurrency prices shows no signs of slowing. But where will it stop? What is the real value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies? What does this mean for the US economy? And what does this mean for the future of the United States? But before we get into all of that, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. In fact, Coinbase has lost over a quarter of its value in the past 4 trading sessions. The FTX collapse is affecting everything in the cryptocurrency world. Coinbase does not have any material exposure to FTX, said Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. But I have sympathy for everyone involved, Armstrong continued. Daily volumes in the industry are trending 30% to 40% below the average for the year, said Mizuho analysts wrote in a note to clients. Shares of Coinbase fell more than 8% today. Coinbase shares are now at their lowest point since Coinbase went public in April 2021. The value of Bitcoin also continues to fall. Investors are clearly worried about contagion from FTX's stunning collapse last week. FTX's bankruptcy came just 19 months after going public with a market capitalization of over $85 billion. For those of you not familiar, market capitalization is considered to be the total value of a company. Now, the market capitalization of Coinbase has dipped below the $10 billion level. The health of FTX's rival exchanges has now come into question. It has sparked industry-wide sell-offs and some companies have suspended trading. Some cryptocurrency companies are preparing their own bankruptcy filings. Coinbase shares have fallen more than 83% year to date. It's stressful anytime there is potential for customer loss in our industry, and a lot of people are losing a lot of money as a result of FTX's struggles, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said. Bank of America analysts downgraded Coinbase shares on Friday, saying, there is contagion risk for the cryptocurrency exchange platform, even if it is not another FTX. That does not make them immune from the broader fallout within the crypto ecosystem, wrote Bank of America's Jason Kupferberg. Prior to FTX's bankruptcy, the market was in the midst of a crypto winter. Bitcoin and Ethereum were falling in value and had forced a number of crypto companies into bankruptcy. In its Q3 earnings call, Coinbase reported a revenue plunge of more than 50% in Q3 as compared to Q3 of last year. Coinbase also reported a loss of $545 million in Q3 alone. Back in June, the cut 18% of its employees. Wall Street reacted with a violent sell-off. The value of Bitcoin fell 3% today to its lowest level in over 2 years. And Ethereum fell more than 6%. Solana, a cryptocurrency token backed by FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, has lost 67% of its value in just 2 weeks. FTX went from having a $32 billion company valuation to bankruptcy within just a few days. Liquidity dried up and customers demanded withdrawals, much like a run on a bank. If you follow this channel, you know that rival exchange Binance initially offered to buy FTX. But when they took a cursory look at the financials, Binance ripped up its non-binding agreement to buy the company. FTX filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection on November 11. Sam Bankman-Fried said that FTX's assets were fine just 2 days before he was desperate for a bailout. In the days following the bankruptcy filing, he tweeted to say that he is trying to recover deposits for the company's customers. If you have been following this channel or keeping up with crypto news, you probably already know that Binance has now abandoned its deal to bail out FTX. As a result, FTX declared bankruptcy. Just to bring everyone up to speed on FTX, FTX has been one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges since its founding in 2017. It actually has its own cryptocurrency token called FTX token, or FTT for short. But the FTX exchange would enable trading in all or most cryptocurrencies. Well, FTX encountered a liquidity crisis within the past couple of weeks. A liquidity crisis occurs when too many cryptocurrency holders wanted to draw out their holdings all at once. It is the cryptocurrency equivalent of a run on a bank. So, FTX sought a bailout and almost had one in rival cryptocurrency exchange Binance. But, after looking into more of the financial details of FTX, Binance backed out of the deal to buy FTX. Those were the events that led up to the bankruptcy filing by FTX. FTX founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, has stepped down as FTX CEO and may even have fled the country. Last week, we heard of news that Multicoin Capital, one of the top crypto venture firms, issued a stark warning about cryptocurrencies. Multicoin warned investors in a letter that the collapse of FTX collapse will lead to additional failures. Because FTX has declared bankruptcy, holders of FTX stock have marked their holdings down to zero. Because of its write-down of assets on FTX and the broader drop in crypto, Multicoin said its net performance is down 55% this month. And, actually, nobody really has a complete list of people or organizations that are holding FTX stock or FTT cryptocurrency. Some holders have revealed themselves or are already known. For example, NFL quarterback Tom Brady and his ex-wife Gisele Bündchen hold FTX stock. So, apparently, does former NBA star Shaquille O'Neal. And current NBA star Steph Curry. And, now we hear of some other cryptocurrency companies that are holding FTX. Nestcoin, for example. And they appear to be on the brink of bankruptcy. And, today, we are hearing that cryptocurrency investment fund Militicoin holds some shares in FTX. Crypto venture firm Multicoin Capital sent a huge warning shot across the bow of investors in a letter on Thursday. Multicoin warned that the collapse and bankruptcy of FTX and the price declines across the industry has sank the value of its fund by 55% this month. Multicoin is an investment fund that holds the shares of a number of cryptocurrency companies and some cryptocurrency tokens in an investment fund. Last week, Multicoin said that it was able to retrieve about 1/4 of its assets from FTX. But there is still a considerable amount of the Multicoin's money still stranded in FTX. For Multicoin, that amount represents 15.6% of the fund's assets. Multicoin has been trading cryptocurrency on 3 exchanges, FTX, Coinbase and Binance. Interestingly, Multicoin noted that it does not expect the crypto market to turn positive anytime soon. There are many cryptocurrency collapses ahead. It looks like the sudden failure of FTX and its sister hedge fund Alameda Research are causing a domino effect of failures. FTX and Alameda Research were both owned by Sam Bankman-Fried. Both FTX and Alameda Research entered bankruptcy proceedings on Friday. Multicoin was also hurt by the failure of FTX because of its huge holdings of the Solana token. FTX founder and owner Sam Bankman-Fried was a big promoter of the Solana token. Alameda Research was a major holder of the Solana token coins. The bankruptcies of FTX and Alameda Research have led to a 64% fall in the value of the Solana token. Multicoin claims to be holding onto its position in Solana and still believes in Solana. According to Multicoin, Solana has the most vibrant developer community in the cryptocurrency ecosphere. Many experts are fearing that the contagion could spread to topple other major players. For example, Crypto.com. The CEO of Crypto.com has denied this. If you recall, Bitcoin peaked at an all-time high of $68,982.20 1 year ago. Warren Buffett, CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has repeatedly said that cryptocurrencies are worthless and have no intrinsic value. Buffett says that cryptocurrencies have no value in the economy or to society. He clearly thinks that the current crypto winter is a prelude to the eventual death of cryptocurrencies. In January, few people would have predicted that this crash would happen. Regular people who never even traded stock were suddenly active in crypto trading. Cryptocurrency, by its very nature, is ungoverned and unsponsored by any country. There are no banks involved in the system and there are no regulations. But, what do you think? Please hit the like button and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified of upcoming videos when they are released. Please share this video on social media. Thank you for watching.